Hello everyone, this is my homework. This is a nice topic to talk about the food. I love food, so it's reason why I'm fat. So I will introduce about a dish. It's a fried chicken. I can eat like a horse. Do you know, we usually eat fried chicken at KFC. So with a recipe, we can make at home and have healthy home cooked food. Okay, so the ingredient of food have chicken, flour, salt and oil. There are 3 steps to cook fried chicken. Step 1. Wash the chicken. Step 2. Mix with flour. And finally, step 3. Deep fry. It's easy. About 1 hour, you have a delicious dish. It tastes crispy and salty. It can serve with chili sauce and ketchup. It's perfect. Okay. I hope I can open a fried chicken restaurant in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.